Hey there fellow Greymanes, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Blinding Arrows cloth cloak in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the Bloodsteel camp at the southernmost part of the Demoness region. This camp is part of the Housewell's faction quest, Death Chime, that you need to complete first before you get access to this camp. Once you've liberated the entire camp, you'll find an equipment shop inside. In this shop, you can buy the Blinding Arrows cloth cloak. This cloak provides 5 points in defense, ice resistance level 3, and a blinding arrow disguise. At first glance, it seems underwhelming, but once you max its refinement level, it gives a huge 10% to stamina cost reduction. At the cost of defense, this cloak gives more utility to cliff or stamina draining moves. And that's how to get the Blinding Arrows cloth cloak in Crimson Desert. Please do drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.